There is a proven and predictable process that you can use to land a job offer in your field, your dream company. There really is. And whilst 99% of people out there on the internet, on TikTok and LinkedIn and YouTube, they'll give you little snippets, little tips and tricks for how to do these little job search hacks. This guide is going to be the complete opposite. It is going to give you a full breakdown of a job search system you can use and follow step by step to land your dream job. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down and laying out exactly how that system works and how you can go and implement it. And just so you guys know this is legit, this is the same kind of system we've been using for many years now to help hundreds of our clients to land hundreds and hundreds of job offers. And not just any job offers, right? We've helped clients land, for example, around 50 offers from the big four alone. That's Deloitte, PwC, KPMG, EY. We've helped them get jobs at top strategy consulting firms, top engineering firms, companies like Google and Amazon. I could go on. And not only has it worked in those areas, the more business and kind of IT and tech fields, it's worked in almost every field you can think of. These same principles, these same processes. We've helped clients land job offers in law, in mechanical engineering, mechatronics, you name it, literally everything you can think of. The reason why it works so well is because it's based on the fundamentals. We're not going to be teaching you little tips and tricks. It's just going to be fundamentals. How do you land a job? What do you need to focus on? And we're going to give you that whole bird's eye view layout, what you need to focus on. Sure, you will have to go digging and ensure you can figure out each part of this process. But what we think is that a lot of these job search guys, they give you the little tricks. They don't help you with the high level bird's eye view. So that's what we're going to do with you today. And I hope I've piqued your interest. If you do enjoy the video, please make sure to give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to give you a special little gift. I'm going to give you a PDF, one pager, that outlines the whole system and how it works. So you can print it out, you can put it on your desk, and you can follow along as you're on that journey to get your dream job. So let's get into it.